Hello guys, what's up? I'm back with another unboxing video. This time I'm unboxing BM-800. This is a professional condenser microphone. As you can see here, professional condenser microphone with presented audio reference compending for crystal clear sound. Okay, so let's look at the box. Here they have say legendary vocal condenser microphone, and this side condenser microphone, and on the back side they have written some of the feature, which is number 1, you can see suitable for small recording studios for professional recording, built-in elastic shock absorbers to prevent friction noise, delicate warm tone suitable for vocal and acoustic instruments, low background noise and high acoustic pressure level. So back in this side just written condenser microphone, professional stage microphone, and the other side same thing, condenser microphone. Nothing in the box, so let's open it up. Wow, here you can see lots of instrument in the box. I am also informing you that this condenser microphone comes with a stand, which is pretty much good. So let's see what we have got in box. At first you can see a filter. You should place this in front of the microphone. This is pretty much good, and it is adjustable. You can adjust it as you like. So, and then here we have a cable. Here I think it is 2.5 millimeter for the PC. You can connect this side in PC or mobile, and you should connect this side to the main microphone. The cable quality is pretty much good. I like it actually. So then we have a pop filter, which is pretty much good. You should place on the top of the microphone. It will reduce noise, and it will decrease the pop sound, which is good. And we have a manual, 2-page manual. You can see it also, to mount this thing, how you can mount and how you will use it. This is pretty much good. They provide some images in manual, not bad. Okay, then what we have next? Yeah, here this is the stand holder. You can mount the stand on the corner of your table or something else with this holder, just like this. You can adjust this with this screw, which is good. And here is an interesting thing. You should use this to hold the microphone. In here you should place the microphone, and you can adjust it as you like also. Here you can see it's adjustable. I am going to, okay, very good. And then what we have, yes, this is the interesting part. I'm gonna unwrap the plastic from here. Give me a minute, guys. Wow, look at the stand. I think it is pretty much good quality stand in this price, which is pretty much good. I have seen a lot of microphone in this price, but they don't provide a stand, but they provide a good quality stand. I think it is metal, not plastic, which is pretty much good, and it is adjustable. You can adjust it as you like. So I think the stand is good. And here we have the main part. Oh, I forgot about the tiny little thing, which is pretty important. Yes, they provide a converter for mobile devices. You can use this in mobile. Use this microphone. To use this microphone in mobile devices, you should plug it in mobile, and then you can plug it in here, microphone port. Yeah, this is pretty much good quality, I think. And let's look at our main part, which is microphone. Wow, I'm gonna unwrap it. Give me a moment, please. Wow, let's look at it. This is pretty much decent quality, I think. The quality is good. On the top side, it is golden color. Looks amazing to me. And here you can see the port. You should plug in the cable in here. Wow. One more interesting thing, in microphone there is no volume button or anything else in the microphone. So I am pretty much amazed there is no volume button. So I think you should control the volume from the computer or software. So there is no volume button in here. So I think this is pretty much good quality, not bad. So that's all in the box, nothing else. So that's with the unboxing of BM-800 professional microphone. I'm gonna mount it and connect to my computer, and I will also make another video of the review of it. So that's all with the unboxing. Thank you guys.